Hey tubers, I haven't released the video on this yet, but this was an engine swap from a Yard Machines to a Toro. But the engine, the old engine, it's right there. This one had a blade clutch. This one does not. I got the shaft off, not the shaft, but I got the blade adapter off, and I was able to put an MTD pulley with blade adapter on this one, and it works with the belt. Self-propelled works, runs great. The only problem is because the other one had a blade clutch, the way you stopped it was you let go of the handlebars and it would still run, is then you would use this toggle switch. And that would kill the engine. Well, since this one doesn't have the blade clutch, I have to use the regular cutoff, which is here on the side. This old cable used to go down right here underneath, and it would attach to the blade clutch underneath, which I have taken off. There's the parts of it. But my dilemma is now, it won't shut. If I zip tie this, it won't shut off unless I take a screwdriver, put it here, or pull the spark plug. Neither one of them is feasible. What I'm probably going to do is get some sort of aftermarket universal things to universal cable adapters that are usually like for I guess like bicycles, or let's say a go-kart, or you can make you have a custom cable. I have no idea what cable this would be, the number would be, but it would be this exact same model, but does not have a blade clutch with a Briggs. But I don't have that part number. Plus, I've already got this cable. I can reuse if I can, shorten it up and get some sort of hardware on here for the cable. So that's my dilemma. For now, what I'm thinking about doing is I'm just gonna put this switch on it, put it on the handlebars, and zip tie this for now, just for my own testing purposes. I also got to put back on the belt cover underneath the bottom. So I'm asking, comment below what you would do. Later.